Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel WebToTech, and in today's video I'm going to guide you through how to add or connect a broker on MetaTrader 5 account. So first of all, launch MetaTrader 5 app. Make sure that you are logged on to your account. Then tap on the hamburger icon at the top left corner of your screen. From here, go ahead and tap on Manage Accounts. Now once you come here, you'll see a plus icon at the top of your screen. Tap on it. Now you could simply enter the name of your broker on the search bar. For now, I'm going to tap on MetaTrader Limited. Now in order to add or connect a broker, you would have to log into an existing account or open a demo account. Now in order to add a broker, simply enter in your login details. Then over here enter your password. Then choose a type of server. After this, if you tap on the option of login, you will successfully be able to add a broker to your MetaTrader 5 account. So that's all for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.